It's emergency landing here. First aid emergency helicopter. We need to rescue na 111. Ayun sila, may evacuate. May ano sila, air ambulance. That's how they do the rescue, air ambulance. Air ambulance dito. They need to rescue. Yung staff. I-airlift. Nag-i-airlift sila. Alright. Cool. So yan, dito lang yan along the in front of the main road. Nilang bahay, dito ang kanilang rescue pad to airlift, itong pinakamalaking area na pwede they can land. Kaya yan ang air ambulance with the camera. May camera, oh. Ganda, oh. Yun ang ano, sulit ang health service, NHS. Well done. Right along the ano lang to, field. Yung main road. Tapos ito na ang ambulance.